Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are showing you how to see all of the accounts linked to your Steam account, including your Xbox, PlayStation, Twitch profile, etc. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up your Steam application for that. And once you open up Steam, you should be finding this particular interface. You can look out for the Steam option in the top left and select it. And from here, select up the settings option and access your settings right here of your Steam. Once you go over here, you need to go over to your account details right here. So you can look out for the option of viewing your profile, select this option, and that should take you to your profile of your Steam. There we go. Now from here, what we can do is basically inside account details, you can go to account security and then linked accounts. Or if you do not find it here, you can look out for your profile in the top right and select the option of account details and open up that page right here. And from there on your left hand side, you can select the option of security and devices and open it up. And once you open it up in this section right here, you should be finding your external accounts or linked accounts in the section right here. So in the space right here, you can find it. You can look out for your authorized devices, and including that, if you have linked any other external account, Steam will show you connections such as Xbox, PlayStation Network, Facebook, Twitch, etc. Even your email and phone. You can just go over and look out for those. So you can follow up this process. You cannot link or view LinkedIn directly specifically, but this is how you basically look out for your account details, and that's it. That's how we can check our all linked accounts on Steam. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe for more tutorials.